Hi, Jake with Dow Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to take a look at an exciting new product for the 2018 and up Ford Mustang. These are our new Switchback LED boards. Now, these are OEM-grade replacement DRL boards that give you an even brighter white running light, as well as a sequencing amber flasher when turning or using your hazards. Now, as you would expect, this sequencing amber flasher is in that signature Mustang sequence so that it matches the taillight speed of your taillight turn signals. For the EU.A spec version of this kit, we've built specific drivers to give you a faster flashing speed that matches the European taillight speed that's required for compliance. These were designed, engineered, and manufactured right here in St. Louis and are available right now on our website. For more information on this kit, visit the link in the description below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.